Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the error code with Roblox being error code 279 failed to connect to the game from scratch, no matter what device you guys are on. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I'll be starting off with the mobile devices or the tablets or the handheld devices if you guys are playing Roblox on those platforms. Now the fix for this is to simply turn off your VPN, as this error is actually tied to your network connection. And normally Roblox actually has a system in place where it detects whether you're using a VPN or not, and when you are, it's not going to let you connect to the game. So a simple fix for it, goes without saying, is that you need to turn off your VPN. Now, if that doesn't work on your mobile device, you guys can actually try refreshing your cache files by simply navigating to settings, apps, look for Roblox or Roblox player, and then clear cache files and try running the game. And if that still doesn't work, you can try reinstalling the game, but those fixes that I mentioned before should do the trick just fine. Now, if you guys are on PC like me, this actually has to do with the same issue. It's going to be tied to your network connection. So if you're using a VPN, it goes without saying that you need to turn it off and try running the game again. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you guys can try is to mess around a bit with the command prompt window for PC. Now, I'm going to switch windows here real quick to show you guys what I mean. So here we are. So you would want to click on run. So actually a quick way to do that is to hit the Windows key and hit R and just type down CMD just like that. Hit OK. And from here, once you guys are here, what you would need to do is type down ipconfig then /flush DNS. Now this will basically refresh your settings for your internet settings, I should say, and effectively help you reconnect to the game. Now this fix should do the trick, and you guys should be able to connect to the game no problem. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.